Welcome to RKshoots, aiming for clarity. This channel is your go-to destination for breaking down complex ideas into simple. In this series, we will talk about my favorite topic, accessibility. Making the digital world accessible. What is accessibility and why it matters? Have you ever tried using a website without a mouse? Or navigating a document using only a keyboard or screen reader? That's the reality for millions of people every day. Welcome to our channel, your guide to making the digital world more inclusive, one step at a time. In this video, we are answering an important question. What is digital accessibility and why does it matter now? Digital accessibility means making websites, documents, and applications usable by everyone. Let's look at a few common accessibility barriers. Images without descriptive or text. Videos without caption and transcript. Poor color contrast. PDFs not tagged for screen readers. Mouse-only navigation. These issues may seem small, but for many users, they make content completely not usable. But accessibility is not just about compliance. It is about inclusion. It is about ensuring everyone, regardless of their ability, has equal access to information, services, and opportunities. Also, accessible design helps everyone. Think about mobile users, older adults, or people in low bandwidth areas. Good accessibility equals better usability. In our videos, we will focus on practical real-world problems and a solution to it. We will cover accessibility standards and its usage. We will explore tools available in the market for accessibility audit and remediation. And we'll show you how to test, audit, and fix accessibility issues across websites, PDFs, and e-learning content. So, if you are a developer, designer, content creator, or just curious, subscribe to our channel. Let's learn, let's fix, and let's endure. Because accessibility is not optional, it is essential.